so today I am doing my sonic screwdriver sounds, and I did 3 Doctor Who seasons, but I didn't really upload them onto YouTube because I didn't want to. But I had 3 different sonic screwdrivers. I had a sonic screwdriver that was a laser. I had a sonic screwdriver that was a pen. And now I have a sonic screwdriver that is sort of like the 11th Doctor's sonic screwdriver slash time transportal thing. And I'm gonna be doing the sounds. Gosh, it broke again. Sorry guys, it just breaks a lot. Okay, you guys can probably maybe see it, and you guys probably don't see it, do you? Oh. Oh my gosh, what the heck is wrong with this right now? My screwdriver is supposed to be working, but right now it just hates me and it doesn't want to work. Oh, you guys now see it, don't you? Yeah. Don't you guys think it's cool? Yeah, this is my sonic screwdriver. I haven't really put it in my videos yet, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a pen. I broke the bottom off and put it with the LED light, and when I press this button, it doesn't really light up because I taped it right here, and you have to hold this and the button at the exact same time, and it's crappy. So here are the noises you're going to hear them about. Okay, so here is number 1 of the sound effects. It sounds awesome, doesn't it? Everything great, I guess. And alright, we are done with the sound effects. It does weird stuff sometimes. The last sound effect wasn't even the sound effect that I put in it. I don't know how it did that. Because when it does the sound effects, it lights up, but it's not doing it for me right now. It's being crappy. So, see you all later, guys. Bye.